Good morning again. Well, TikTok didn't like my my 3 minute science changes post. I can tell straight away, right? Boom, put the brakes on it straight away. TikTok's always the one lately. One thing, right? Now, this is a slam dunk, people, whether you want to accept it or not. During the 1960s, mid to late, when the moon 1969 came along, things changed. 1971, 2 atomic clocks, bullshit. 300 billionths of a second out in 1971. This is, from where I see it, the turning point. 300 billionths of a second. Right there, right? As soon as people believed that, it was over, because we are talking 100 billionths of a second, right? Right there. I also know for a fact that there's so many people, right? I get messages still, quite a few people, quite a lot of people. You don't understand science, but you still attack. You know why that is? Because you've been programmed to expect people like me, and you think I'm the enemy. I'm the conspiracy theorist that you've heard about. So it doesn't matter whether you understand the science or not. You're armed up to the eyeballs, armed up to the teeth, and you're throwing grenades at me. I'm not the enemy. One day, you will thank me when I pull you out of the fantasy of solar probes taking footage as it's inside a coronal mass ejection. Just the thought of it makes me dizzy. Look, black, it's a colour. So just wanted to say those two things. That's where things started to change. As soon as people believed the 300 billionths, the relativity rubbish, that's when things changed. And the truth is, right, the solar eclipse, the sun, I'm going full bore now. That's it. Might as well now. We're here, aren't we? The solar eclipse. The sun is clearly directly behind the moon during a solar eclipse. But do you know what's at stake because of this? Relativity. Every single NASA report, news report of this is X amount of light years away, this is X amount of light years away. The neutron, the proton, the gimion, the gluon, all of them travel at finite speed. But the speed of light is absolute. So what we have here is, they have got everything rolling on this. They've invested a lot of money to change your reality, but they've still got the sun directly behind the moon during a solar eclipse. From Simon downwards, all of you who keep coming up with these Mickey Mouse reasons and explanations and for how to justify the sun being behind the moon during the solar eclipse. The things I've heard, they're unbelievable. Guys, the sun is only 108 diameters of itself away from us and from the moon, okay? Now, when there's a solar eclipse, 108 diameters of itself away from us, that's not far, is it? How come it's directly behind the moon when the moon is casting its shadow? For all of those of you who have been in the sweet spot, you're there, you've got the moon right in front of you, and right behind that moon, El Sol, right? Now, How can it not be there? How can it not be there? This is where your common sense will, there must be some battles within going on, right? Because it is about common sense. And when science told you it doesn't care about your common sense, there was a reason for it, okay? So I just wanted to get that out of the way before I'm here now, right? I'm not gonna, I've been sugarcoating stuff every now and again, but as you heard, I'm not. Moon landings, that's what it was all about. Roma onwards, it was all focused, it was all laid out. Did not happen 300-400 years ago. Why? Why would those people do that, right? Seriously, it's ridiculous. It is. So don't hate me. If you don't understand the science, it's pretty pointless throwing grenades at me, isn't it? I mean, take the time to learn the science, but properly, and you'll see what I mean. Numbers, 1 + 1 = 2. 300 billionths of a second out, 1971. Two atomic clocks, one east, one west. They were both synced to another atomic clock in a US naval base, of all places. And when they arrived back, they were 300 billionths of a second out of sync. 1971. See, it's the absurdities, guys. So, the sun's coming out. I didn't think it was going to come out today. Oh, you little dancer. That means I haven't got a prism. I ordered a prism, but not here yet. So I had to improvise, adapt, overcome. And I did. So if that sun really does come out, we're going to have us a monster day. Buckle up, Dorothy. It's going to get bumpy. All right, talk soon.